How's it going, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you something very neat. Twitch introduced something very cool, which is basically featuring your clips, and you can also edit them. Now the best part of all of it is you can upload it as a YouTube short. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to content and you go to your clips. Okay, and let's say I want to make a clip for this one. Okay, let me go ahead and click on edit share clip. Okay, now you can see that I've got these panels over here. Right, so I want this top part to focus over here. So this pink border is for the top part, and I want that to focus on. This is basically, if you've got a webcam, you can basically use that. My webcam is basically my YouTube model, or you can click on full and it will look like this. But I do like this feature. That's pretty neat. Then I'm gonna click on next. Okay, and then what you have to do is connect to YouTube. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure pop-ups is enabled. This pop-up will come up, and then you can click on this one and just click on allow. Cool. Now you can give it a description: ambush turn to charge. I'm gonna keep that typos are fuzzy on Twitch and shorts. Okay, that's gonna be my description. I can probably go into more detail. Once this clip is finished rendering, you can click on share shorts. Okay, so the rendering is completed. I'm gonna click on share to YouTube shorts, and then account connected, and it will say your clip was successfully shared to YouTube shorts. And that's it. You click done here. Then I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel over here. I'm gonna go to YouTube Studio, and there you have it. Right over there. I think it's busy processing HDR, so it's actually still busy processing. But yeah, there it is. There we go. It's all done now. I click on this. Yeah, there we go. Ambush turn to charge, and you can use it. You can watch it on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.